Bacon and turnip greens. That's the question for today. Jeanette asks, can I add raw bacon to my turnip greens before processing? No, unfortunately you should not. Adding bacon or even bacon grease or anything like that adds a whole new ingredient, and the processing time is not tested to use that meat. If you put meat in there, it's completely different and it's not tested for that properly. Now you can, however, when you open the jar to serve it, add a little bit of bacon or a little spoonful of bacon grease. I do that to your turnip greens at that point. Heat it up. You're still going to get the flavor, but you also have the safety of just canning the greens as they are. So I'll put a link below on how to can greens. I'll also put a link to my how I add bacon and bacon to my green beans. It's not turnip greens, but I've never actually had turnip greens with bacon, but I bet it's pretty good. Check out my article on how I add bacon to my green beans. It's kind of the same method, the same concept as adding it to your greens. So I hope that was helpful. Come visit me at simplycanning.com. We'll talk to you next time.